Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is following Bitcoin today in this sell-off that we've seen, and already in the last few days we've been seeing further downside also on the Bitcoin chart. And yeah, MATIC seems to be working on a on the downtrend still, right? It is clear that the rally was only in 3 waves, so the most bullish option I have available here would just be a larger ABC structure. So that's obviously the scenario that we've been watching for in case we break above the trend line. Yeah. Yes, we've also been watching for a possible 5-wave move up, but that the market needed to prove that. Obviously, clearly just a 3-wave move down. And therefore we've said we have to be on the side of caution with this chart due to the poor performance that we've seen throughout. There have been several warnings that the chart provided to us. And yeah, it's again just a 3-wave rally that's not bullish. But as I said, the most bullish scenario I see here would be a larger ABC structure. The price would, however, need to think about an upside reversal very, very shortly to start wave C of 4. There is absolutely no sign that wave C of 4 has started, and we can still consider this a B-wave correction. However, first of all, support for the B-wave is at 37.7 cents. We've nearly arrived there. We're approaching this now. Yeah, so this would be a key level there, 37.7 cents. And in addition to that, the decline, and that's the bigger problem, the decline looks rather impulsive. So after a 3-wave move up, first of all, this is never clearly bullish. So we have to always consider that we might go down lower directly, but I would not consider this yet wave 4. It is just too small. If we look at the 8-hour chart and we consider how large wave 2 was, then if we go down more directly, then wave 3 is still unfolding to the downside, yeah? So that we never started wave 4. That's something to consider. And also the move down looks quite impulsive, so it doesn't clearly look like a B-wave pullback. But as I said, that's the most bullish scenario I have available, but it looks more like a 5-wave move down. So we might go more directly to the downside, yeah, unless the price forms some kind of a low here. But then, as always with these C-wave rallies, we need to see a first 1-2 setup to confirm the start of it, because any C-wave rally is less clearly bullish because it comes from a corrective base, from a B-wave, and B-waves are always tricky. They can overshoot to the downside. And it's just a corrective structure, right? So the B-wave can easily go lower, and you never really know with these C-waves. So best setup here, because this is not a 1-2 setup, it's just an AB. Best setup here that we would get on the long side would be a 1-2 setup in wave C. And then the third wave, 4 and 5 should happen. But until we see a 1-2 setup, be on the side of caution. As I said, any further downside would likely be an extension of wave 3. I find that highly likely. And we would then possibly find next support in the area around 30 cents, sort of this area around the June 22 low. And then we have 27.4 cents as next support, and even 21 cents. So I think around 27 to 30 cents could be some really good support. Possibly another attempt then for wave 3 to bottom. But please note that we have some Fibonacci extensions here on the chart, right? And as I often say, a third wave should ideally get to the 1.38 extension. That would be 27 cents. Not always the case in a downtrend. Sometimes in a downtrend they are weaker. That's why I've been watching already for the 4th wave. But yeah, again, bottom line is we've only seen 3 waves up. Only a 5-wave move up would have been more clearly bullish. So be on the side of caution here, be careful. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.